Calcutta Public School throbbed back to life with the ringing of the school bell after about a year and a half. With sanitized furniture, fumigated rooms, immaculated auditorium, dappered astroturfs, it was all set to welcome the senior section students back to physical classrooms. The preparation started a month back when the government of West Bengal had announced the reopening of the schools from the 16th of November 2021.
We had not gone to school for almost 1.5 years. The pandemic had compelled us to adapt to the new normal of online classes in front of our devices by switching on our camera, submitting online assignments, and many more things which we have never thought of doing in life. But now, after coming to school, I feel great. We talked a lot with our friends, completed our classworks, and discussed many important things for the ICSE Semester 1 examination. The superb feeling of sitting in a classroom with my peers and listening to our teachers revising the lessons with their characteristic aplomb is simply divine. I'm literally on cloud 9 to be back to the good old days of offline education under the caring supervision of dedicated teachers who are performing one of the most crucial tasks in the world, preparing future generations of citizens to engage in an ever-changing and evolving society.
As a part of COVID-19 transmission and protective measures, Calcutta Public School has ensured vaccination for the teachers and staff members in order to resume full operations. As per the CDC recommendations, all students, teachers, staff and visitors, regardless of vaccination status, are consistently and correctly wearing the mask. The seating arrangements have been made to keep 1 meter distance between the student and teacher. The laboratories are aerated and disinfected at regular intervals, with not more than 2 children working at the stations within a 6 feet distance. Sharing of tiffin and drinking water has been strictly disallowed. Students are advised to maintain social distance from each other, wash hands frequently with soap and water for at least 20 seconds, and avoid gathering near the wash basins during recess as well.
Since the corona pandemic disrupted the education access in India, we had to do online classes. But when the government of West Bengal announced the reopening of schools from 16th November, it filled every one of us with joy and excitement. We need to maintain certain rules and regulations. Maintaining proper social distance, washing our hands frequently and wearing a proper mask are necessary.
With the dispersal bell at 3:15 p.m. comes the time to call it a day. Students with their bags stand in queues with proper distance among themselves. The pandemic break couldn't stop the practice of last-minute chit-chats, the twittering, suppressed giggles, and a fluttering of hands, busy bidding goodbye to friends and teachers.
We are thrilled to open our campus for class 9, 10, 11 and 12. And especially I'm excited to see the students of class 9 because last I saw them 20 months ago when they were in class 7 and they're all grown up and they're in class 9. Earlier also we had opened our campus for 2 months during the months of February, March and April, when the government had allowed us. So we got to see the students of classes 10, 11 and 12 then. And we are a little bit well aware of the COVID protocol because we did it then. And my teachers have always been there with me. They have been helping at each and every stage. And we have been able to conduct a very smooth 2 months class then. And I'm sure we'll do it now. And a big round of applause to my support staff, the people who are actually doing the sanitization and they're following all the, rules which need to be done, especially the labs, the classrooms. They are absolutely spick and span and ready for use, and I'm sure we'll be able to conduct the classes smoothly with all the children.